Hi friends, this is your fourth quarter spelling final determination of learning, your final spelling test for the school year. So let's make it a good one. Make sure your name is on your paper and you write neatly for each one of these. There are 20 words for this test and 4 sentences. So pause, rewind as needed. Okay, let's get started. Word number 1, moon. The phase of the moon is a waning gibbous currently. Moon. Number 2, west. The sun sets in the west each day. West. Number 3, saw. Sharpen the saw is habit number 7. Saw. Number 4, try. You should try your best on this spelling test. Try. Number 5, soil. She added more soil to the plant. Soil. Number 6, barn. The cow was in the barn. Barn. Number 7, good. Today is going to be a good day. Good. Number 8, most. Most of the people in this school live in Lee Summit. Most. Number 9, lady. The lady attended the fashion show. Lady. Number 10, were. We were outside when the fire drill happened. Were. Number 11, girl. The girl was swinging on the swing set. Girl. Number 12, look. Look at how foggy it is. Look. Number 13, boy. The boy wanted to slide on the slide. Number 14, think. Think before you speak. Think. Number 15, because. She liked Prairie View because it's the best. Because. Number 16, draw. You can draw a picture to go with your writing piece. Draw. Number 17, play. We will play at recess. Number 18, her. Her hair was in a ponytail. Her. Number 19, boil. Wait till the water comes to a boil before you add the noodles. Boil. Number 20, swing. We're going to swing at recess. Swing. Okay, that completes the spelling words. Go back and rewind if you need to hear any of them again. Now I'm going to read to you your 4 dictation sentences. Sentence number 1. The old lady saw the moon. Sentence number 2. I think we can go play on the swing. Sentence number 3. Can the girl draw the moon in the west? Number 4. This is your final dictation sentence. Most of the good soil is by the barn. Okay, rewind as needed. Make sure your name is on your paper. I hope you did well.